बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बी इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Viewers, welcome to Study Hub. In today's video lecture, I will discuss with you about most important 100 MCQs questions of senior editors BPS 16 post. Viewers, आज के वीडियो लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करेंगे 100 जो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs क्वेश्चंस होंगे सीनियर एडिटर की पोस्ट से रिलेटेड, उनको डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं हम. So before we start the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon that you will get latest updates from our future videos as well. Viewers, without any delay, let's start our today's topic. So let's get started. Question number 1 है हमारे पास. Test checking refers to. Right answer is option B, checking of selecting number of transactions. Question number 2 है हमारे पास. Which of the following factors would least likely affect the quantity and content of an auditor's working papers? Right answer is option D, which is the content of management representation letter. Question number 3 है हमारे पास. Which of the following statement is true regarding an auditor's working papers? Right answer is option B, which is they should be considered as the principal support for the auditor's report. Question number 4 है हमारे पास. Which of the following statement best describes the understanding with respect to ownership and custody of working papers prepared by an auditor? Right answer is option A, which is the working papers may be obtained by third parties when they appear to be relevant to issues raised in litigation. Question number 5 viewers हमारे पास. The current file of the auditor's working papers generally should include. Right answer is option C, which is a copy of financial statements. Question number 6 है हमारे पास. Knowledge of the entity's business does not help the auditor to. Right answer is option A, which is reduce inherent risk. Question number 7, which is payment for wage should be voiced with the help of. Right answer is option B, which is wage sheets. Question number 8, payment for building purchase should be voiced with the help of. Right answer is option A, which is title deed. Question number 9 is purchase returns should be voiced with the help of. Right answer is option B, which is credit notes. Question number 10 is receipts from sale of investments should be voiced with the help of. Right answer है option B, which is broker sold notes. Question number 11 है viewers हमारे पास. Which of the following expenses should not be treated as capital expenditure? Right answer is option C, which is legal expenses incurred to defend a suit related to title of patent. The suit has been lost. Question number 12 है हमारे पास. Which of the following is not a revenue expense? Right answer is option B, which is cost of accessories of motor vehicles spent at the time of purchase. Question number 13 है हमारे पास viewers. Depreciation does not arise from. Right answer is option D, which is remarket expectation. Question number 14 है हमारे पास. Which of the following schedule of the Companies Act 1956 deals with depreciation? So schedule 14 है. Right answer है option number A, schedule 14. Next question है हमारे पास 15, which is schedule 14 has prescribed rates of depreciation for double shift and triple shift working for which one of the following assets? So right answer is option B, which is plant and machinery. Question number 16, which is a company has bought patents. Which of the following methods is most suitable for providing depreciation on them? So right answer is option A, which is SLM. Question number 17 है हमारे पास. Which of the following is a revenue reserve? Right answer is option C, which is debenture redemption reserve. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 है हमारे पास नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग विल नॉट लीड टू क्रिएशन ऑफ सीक्रेट रिजर्व? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, which is goods sent on consignment being shown as actual sales. Question number 19 is who is responsible for the appointment of statutory auditor of a limited company? Right answer is option B, which is members of the company. Question number 20 है हमारे पास, which of the following statements is not correct about materiality? Right answer is option D. At the planning state, the auditor considers materiality at the financial statement level only. Question number 21 है हमारे पास, dash the audit risks, dash the materiality and dash the audit effort. So right answer is option A, lower, higher and lower. Lower the audit risk, higher the materiality and lower the audit effort. Question number 22 है हमारे पास, when issuing unqualified opinion, the auditor who evaluates the audit findings should be satisfied that the right answer is option C, and option C is estimate of the total likely misstatement is more than materially level. Question number 23 हमारे पास, viewers, in determining the level of materiality for an audit, what should not be considered? Right option is option B, which is the auditor's remuneration. Question number 24 हमारे पास, analytical procedures issued in the planning stage of an audit generally. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 25, which is which of the following statement is most closely associated with analytical procedure applied at substantive stage? So right answer is option D, which is it helps to accumulate evidence supporting the validity of a specific account balance. Question number 16 है हमारे पास, for the audits of financial statements made in accordance with AAS 14, the use of analytical procedures is at the discretion of the auditors in which state? So option A is substantive testing. Question number 27 है हमारे पास, verification refers to, right answer is option A, which is examining the physical existence and valuation of assets. Verification refers to examining the physical existence and valuation of assets. Question number 28, which is stock should be valued at, right answer is option C, which is cost or market price, whichever is lower. Question number 28, auditor is not a valuer, was stated in, right answer is option A, which is Kingston Cotton Mills case. Question number 20, floating assets are valued, question number 30, floating assets are valued at, right answer is option C, which is cost or market price, whichever is lower. Question number 31, goods sold on the basis of sales or return should, right answer is option A, which is be included in the stock. Question number 32, of the following, which is the least persuasive type of audit evidence? Right answer is option C, which is carbon copies of sales invoices inspected by the auditor. Question number 33, which of the following statements is generally correct about the reliability of audit evidence? And right answer is option B, which is effective internal control system provides reliable audit evidence. Question number 34, which is in an audit of financial statements, substantive tests are audit procedures that, right answer is option D, and which is maybe test of transactions, test of balance and analytical procedures. Next question is question number 35, which is the nature, timing and extent of substantive procedures is related to assessed level of control risk. So right answer is option number C, which is directly. Question number 36, which of the following factors is most important in determining the appropriations of audit evidence? Right answer is option A, which is the reliability of audit evidence and its relevance in meeting the audit objective. And question number 37, which is when is evidential matter generally considered sufficient? Right answer is option number B, which is when it is enough to provide a basis for giving a reasonable assurance regarding truthfulness. Question number 38, which of the following is not corroborative evidence? Right answer is option D, and which is worksheet supporting consolidated financial statements. Question number 39, which of the following statements is not true with respect to management representations obtained as per AAS11? And right answer is option B, which is it should always be in working. Question number 40, what would most appropriately describe the risk of incorrect rejection in terms of substantive testing? So right answer is option B, which is the auditor concludes that the balance is materially misstated when in actual fact is not. Question number 41, and which is which of the following affects audit effectiveness? Right answer is option D, both A and C. So A is risk of over reliance and C is risk of incorrect acceptance. Question number 42, which is what would most effectively describe the risk of incorrect acceptance in terms of substantive audit testing? So right answer is option A, which is the auditor has ascertained that the balance is materially correct when in actual fact is not. Question number 43, which of the following auditing assurance standard deals with audit planning? So right answer is option B, AAS8 ऑडिट अश्योरेंस स्टैंडर्ड है जो डील करता है ऑडिट प्लानिंग से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 44 है हमारे पास, गुड्स परचेज्ड बट नॉट रिकॉर्डेड इन द परचेज रजिस्टर इज, राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए विच इज एन एरर ऑफ ओमिशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 45, ऑडिट प्रोग्राम इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय, राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी द ऑडिटर एंड हिज असिस्टेंट्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 46, the working papers which auditor prepares for financial statements audit are, right option is option C which is owned by the auditor। Question number 47, the quantity of audit working papers compiled on engagement would most be affected by, right answer is option B, and option B is auditor's experience and professional judgment। Question number 48, which is which of the following best describes the primary purpose of audit program preparation, and right answer is option number C which is to gather sufficient appropriate evidence। Question number 49, which is which of the following is not an advantage of the preparation of working paper, right answer is option D, to provide a guide for advising another client on similar issues। Question number 50, which is the auditor's permanent working paper file should not normally include, right answer is option A, that is extracts from clients' bank statements। Question number 51, for what minimum period should audit working papers be retained by audit firm, right answer is option C, and option C is for a period auditor opines them to be useful in servicing the client। Question number 52, which is working papers are the property of the, right answer is option B which is auditor। Question number 53 हमारे पास, which of the following documents is not relevant for vouching of sales, so right answer is option D, sales department attendance record। Question number 54, the main object of an audit is, right answer is option B, viewers expression of an opinion on true and fair views of accounts। Viewers, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon that you will get latest updates from our future videos as well। Now move to question number 55, which is an audit program must be prepared, right answer is option A which is before commencement of an audit। Question number 56, analytical review is, right answer is option A, an audit technique। analytical review is audit technique, viewers. Question number 57, audit in depth means, right answer is option D, detailed examination of selected transactions. Question number 58, and which is audit program should be, right answer is option A, flexible. Question number 59, incorporates both accounting and administrative controls, right answer is option A, which is internal control. Question number 60, debtors are valued at, right answer is option C, debtors are valued at book value. Question number 61 है viewers हमारे पास, the main objective of window dressing is, right answer is option B, to mislead investors. Question number 62, dash document is not relevant for watching cash purchases, right answer is option D, attendance record of cashier. Question number 63 है next हमारे पास, to select a sample for audit, the auditor should consider, right answer is option A, all the above. So यहाँ पर जो है all the below आएगा, all the above के बजाय, क्योंकि ऑप्शन नंबर ए को करेक्ट किया गया है और सो बाकी जो हैं वो ऑप्शन ए से नीचे हैं, तो ऑल द बिलो आना चाहिए यहाँ पर. सो ऑफ कोर्स आपने ये याद रखना है कि द साइज ऑफ द सैंपल, द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द ट्रांजैक्शंस एंड द एडुकेसी ऑफ इंटरनल कंट्रोल, ये तमाम की तमाम जो हैं, अगर एक सेलेक्ट करता है ऑडिटर सैंपल फॉर ऑडिट, द ऑडिटर शुड कंसीडर the size of sample, the volume of transactions, and adequacy of internal control system viewers. Question number 64, which is secret results are shown on, right answer is option B, none of the above and below as well. Question number 65, stock of goods on consignment should be valued at, right answer is option number C, cost of realizable value, whichever is lower. Question number 66, dash is not an error of commission, right answer is option B, compensating error. Question number 67, telephone charges should be examined on the basis of, right answer is option B, telephone bill. Question number 68, the auditor examines bill of lading in order to watch, right answer is option D, and which is sales outside the country. Dash assets which is not subject to physical verification, which is question number 69, right answer is D, debtors are the assets which is not subject to physical verification. Question number 70 and question number 70 is goods sold but not recorded in sale register is, right answer is option C, an error of omission. Question number 71, audit plan should be based on knowledge of the, right answer is D, client's businesses. 72 question हमारे पास, confirmation is, right answer is option B, an audit technique. Question number 73 viewers हमारे पास है, dash should be checked by the auditor in verification of machinery, right answer is again not all of the above, all of the below, because B, C and D are below. So charge line, the position ownership should be checked by the auditor in verification of machinery. Question number 74 है, closing stock with the consignee is to be shown as the asset of consigner, option D is correct. Question number 75, if a material financial fraud is detected, auditor should dash report it to owners or shareholders, right answer is option D. Question number 76 हमारे पास, an auditor is like a, right answer is option B, watchdog. 77 question हमारे पास, the term audit is derived from a Latin word adure, which means, right answer is option C, which is to hear. 78 question number हमारे पास है, process of verifying the documentary evidences of transactions are known as, right answer is option C, which is vouching. Question number 79, auditing is compulsory for, right answer is option C, which is joint stock companies. Question number 80, the main object of an audit is, right answer is option D, depends on the type of audit. Question number 81, concealment of shortage by delaying the recording of cash receipts is known as, option C is right, which is lapping. Question number 82, the title of AAS2 issued by Council of ICAI is, right answer is option B, which is objective and scope of audit of financial statements. Question number 83, lapping is also known as, right answer is option A, which is teaming and leading. Question number 84, which of the following is not true about opinion on financial statements? Right answer is option C, viewers. He is responsible for detection and prevention of frauds and errors in financial statements. Question number 85, a sale of rupees 25,000 to A was intended as to B. This is an example of, so right answer is option number B, error of commission. Question number 86, goods sent on approval basis have been recorded as credit sales. This is an example of, right answer is option A, which is error of principle. Of course यहाँ पर आपने accounting principles को ही मतलब से खातर नहीं रखा, जबकि goods हमने send की थी credit sales और जो उसको रिकॉर्ड कर लिया गया है जबकि होना चाहिए था ऑन अप्रूवल बेसिस हैव बीन रिकॉर्डेड एट सेल्स, तो अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स को फॉलो नहीं किया गया तो एरर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल आएगी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 86. क्वेश्चन नंबर 87 इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट ट्रू? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, इंटरनल कंट्रोल सिस्टम रिड्यूसेस द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ occurrence of employee fraud and management fraud. Question number 88, as per AAS4, if auditor detects an error, then right answer is option D, both B and C. What is B? He should communicate it to the management if it is material, and C is the auditor should ensure financial statements are adjusted for detected errors. Question number 89, which of the following is not a limitation of audit as per AAS4? Right answer is option A, objectivity of auditor's judgment. Question number 90, internal audit is undertaken. Right answer is option C, by a person appointed by the management. Internal audit, of course, जो मैनेजमेंट अपॉइंट करती है, ये एक किस्म का एम्प्लॉय होता है जो इंटरनल ऑडिटर होता है व्यूअर्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द स्कोप ऑफ इंटरनल ऑडिट इज डिसाइडेड बाय द मैनेजमेंट. बी ऑप्शन इज राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 91 था. 92 हमारे पास ऑडिट ऑफ बैंक्स इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ. फाइनली यहाँ पर जो है ऑल ऑफ द अबव, ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. ऑडिट ऑफ बैंक्स इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ स्टैट्यूटरी ऑडिट, बैलेंस शीट ऑडिट, कंकरेंट ऑडिट. Question number 93, concurrent audit is a part of, option C, internal audit system. Question number 94, audit in depth is synonyms for detailed audit. Right option is option D. Question number 95, which of the following statements is not true about continuous audit? Option C, it is needed when the organization has a good internal control system. Question number 96, internal check is carried on by, right option is option D, members of the staff. Question number 97, which is errors of omission or technical errors. Right answer is option A. 98 question हमारे पास window dressing implies. Right answer is option D, which is overvaluation of assets. Question number 99 of yours हमारे पास. Question number 99 is test checking refers to, option B is right, checking of selected number of transactions. And viewers, finally question number 100 हमारे पास, which of the following statements is not correct about materiality? So right answer is option D, which is at the planning state the auditor considers materiality at the financial statement level only. So viewers, ये थे आज के हमारे most important जो 100 questions answers थे MCQs based सीनियर एडिटर की पोस्ट के लिए. होप्स हो के इन तमाम से गो थ्रू होने के बाद जो है आपकी प्रिपरेशन सीनियर एडिटर के किसी भी एग्जाम से रिलेटेड अच्छी हो गई होगी. व्यूअर्स, चैनल के साथ आपने जुड़े रहना है, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना है ताकि फ्यूचर से रिलेटेड तमाम वीडियोस आप तक टाइमली पहुंच सकें. आज के लेक्चर को यहाँ पर वाइंड अप करते हैं. आज तक के लिए इतना ही. इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्द एक नए लेक्चर तक को लेकर हाजिर होंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़, फ़ी अमान अल्लाह.